Welcome to our channel, your go-to source for all things PC related. In today's video, we will be discussing the top 5 best PC cases that every PC enthusiast should consider. The PC case is not only a functional component but also a crucial part of the overall aesthetics of your build. We have meticulously researched and tested various PC cases to bring you the finest options available in the market. Whether you're looking for high airflow, sleek design, or ample space for customization, we've got you covered. So, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's dive in and explore the top 5 best PC cases for your ultimate gaming or workstation setup. Number 1. Thermaltake Tower 900. The Thermaltake Tower 900 Black Edition is a premium EATX vertical super tower computer chassis. It boasts a striking design with tempered glass panels that showcase your components. This fully modular chassis supports EATX motherboards, multiple graphics cards, and extensive liquid cooling systems. With its spacious interior, excellent heat dissipation, and efficient cable management, the Tower 900 is a perfect choice for high-performance builds. Its toolless design and hinged side panels ensure easy access, while the pre-installed ring LED fans deliver exceptional cooling. Experience superior aesthetics and performance with the Thermaltake Tower 900. If you're building a gaming rig, you'll want to ensure you can extract the most performance from your components. This often means going the liquid cooler route to make sure your premium components don't overheat. That said, the Thermaltake Tower 900 Black Edition allows you the flexibility to use either air or liquid cooling. Number 2. Antec NX410. The Antec NX410 ATX mid-tower case is a sleek and feature-packed chassis designed to enhance your PC building experience. With a tempered glass side panel offering a full side view, this case allows you to showcase your components in style. Equipped with pre-installed cooling fans, including 2x140mm ARGB fans in the front and 1x120mm ARGB fan in the rear, the NX410 ensures efficient airflow and optimal cooling performance. The ARGB lighting adds a vibrant touch to your build, creating stunning visual effects. The NX410 supports ATX motherboards and offers ample space for high-end graphics cards, multiple storage drives, and liquid cooling solutions. Its versatile interior layout allows for convenient cable management, ensuring a clean and tidy build. Number 3. Fractal Design Torrent. If you're looking for a white PC case, it may be to blend in with your decor, or it may be to make a statement. With the radical design of the Fractal Design Torrent, you don't have to worry about choosing one or the other. The Fractal Design Torrent White EATX tempered glass window high airflow mid-tower computer case is a premium chassis offering style and functionality. With its high airflow design and tempered glass window, this case provides efficient cooling and a clear view of your components. Designed for EATX motherboards, it accommodates powerful hardware, and its cable management options keep your build organized. The sleek white design and toolless side panel make it an attractive and accessible choice for your next PC build. Number 4. APEVIA Destiny Gaming PC Case. The APEVIA Destiny Flow BK Tower Gaming PC Case is a feature-rich chassis designed to enhance your gaming experience. The Destiny Flow BK comes equipped with 4 120mm ARGB fans, offering stunning lighting effects and ensuring excellent airflow for optimal cooling performance. With 366 RGB light modes to choose from, you can customize your build with a variety of vibrant colors and patterns. The case features a metal flow front panel that not only adds a sleek aesthetic but also promotes efficient airflow. This helps to keep your components cool during intensive gaming sessions. The door swivel-style magnetic glass side panel provides easy access to your components while allowing you to showcase your build. With 2 USB 3.0 ports on the front panel, you have convenient connectivity options for your peripherals and devices. The case also includes audio jacks for hassle-free headphone and microphone access. Number 5. Corsair 4000D. Corsair 4000D case offers convenient cable management with a spacious routing compartment and multiple tie-down points, allowing you to achieve a clean and clutter-free build. The removable dust filters on the front, top, and bottom help to keep your system dust-free and maintain optimal airflow. Corsair 4000D is a high-quality chassis designed to deliver exceptional airflow and functionality. With its sleek and minimalist design, this case offers a perfect blend of style and performance. The 4000D Airflow features a spacious interior that supports ATX motherboards and allows for easy installation of high-performance components. The tempered glass side panel showcases your build while providing a premium look. The case also includes a solid steel front panel with optimized airflow for efficient cooling.